Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create the Shopify admin access token with the step-by-step guide. You can see all the steps right here. We will go through right here. In the step 1 you need to create the custom app from the Shopify partners account. Currently you can see I am in the dev dashboard. From here I'll create a app. You can name it according to yourself. I'll name it test, and once we have the app, we need to make sure that our redirect URL is the same localhost, and we need to give all the permissions to this app, and we need to have the client ID and the client secret. So you can see that redirect URL we will keep as it is, example.com, and you can see I will be selecting the scopes. Right from here I need to read the products. Read the products, and okay, in the redirect URL I'll write this one, and app URL is this one. I'll release the token, release the app. You can game the variant and variant message as well. We have the app right now in the settings. We can see the client ID and the secret. Now we have to make the request to get the code. So you can see we can hit this URL. So for example, I need to install this app on my this store. I'll copy the URL right from here, and you can update the store according to yourself. Make sure you have to you have the access to the store in the same organization, and I will copy the client ID and paste it right here from the app client ID, and from here you can see the redirect URL is this one. So this is the same that we wrote earlier. I'll make a hit through to this URL. So you can see that we are now we are not able to see the install app. After installing this app into the store, you can see we receive no error. We receive an error because the local host is not running in the machine. So we need this code this code parameter right from here, and in this next step we need to the code for an access token. So you can see that we will make a hit to this. So this URL from the Postman with the post request. You can see I'm in the Postman. We have this the same store, and the path is this one. You can see right here admin auth access token, and we will use the client ID, client secret, and the code. Client ID is this one. I will use this in the parameters of the post request client ID, and the client secret, and the code is from the URL parameters. So make sure to perform this step as quickly as possible, because this code will be expired in few minutes. So I have made the request to this URL. We will get the access token in return. You can see we have the access token with the read products scope, because we had assigned the read products right here, and now we can make a request to our URL to read the products. So you can see we have this products.json, and in the headers I am using the X Shopify access token, and I will use this access token and make a request, and we will be able to see the products product.json. So I hope you like this video. Please, if you have any suggestions or questions, please let me know. Thank you.